Here at A&D, we primarily have three functions that we perform here. We do waste management, industrial services, and then we do remediation work. Safety is obviously the first and foremost. What keeps me up at night is anyone getting injured on the job. And then a compliance standpoint, we want to make sure all our vehicles in compliance is top priority. The last thing you want to do is roll up on a job site and a piece of equipment breaks on you. You have technicians standing around that cannot do any work. Ultimately, we want to be best in class with service. And if you don't have equipment that's reliable, we lose that reputation.
Yeah, the fleet and operations was very challenging when I got here. When I first started, it was paperwork orders. And then over time, it was one program after another, where the other software programs, you had codes that you would, 5 codes to get 2 back and then 5 forward. You know, most mechanics don't want to go through a lot of issues getting to one issue. You know, they want to fix it, they want to fix it right, and then they want to move forward.
Beforehand, there was no data at all before Fleetio. Didn't really know if the vehicle was being profitable or if we was making profitability on the job. And then with Fleetio, now we have data driven behind it. It makes us realize, hey, we're not charging enough for this piece of equipment, or we can adjust our costs on this piece of equipment. Our cost accountant may come to me every now and then and say, okay, tell me what it's cost to run this vehicle. I can immediately send her over a report and she has that information within seconds. With Fleetio and Geotab, we're able to print out DVIRs, which the DVIRs automatically go into Fleetio as an issue, so we can immediately sign work orders to it and address any safety issues immediately. What also is the telematics feed over into Fleetio from Geotab, so if we have a truck that's having issues, we can pull up the telematics and see how's the truck performing overall.
Like yesterday, I was looking at a vehicle and we noticed that the fuel was down in it. So of course I let my driver know. And he said, yeah, it is, you know, and we just wanted to make sure he didn't have a problem. And that truck's 4 hours away. That makes it more efficient to where, okay, if that truck has a fuel issue and he doesn't write it up, then we can address it anyway and get to the bottom of whatever issue he has.
Yeah, having Fleetio upholds the standards that our customers are expecting from us. Some of our customers lose up to $1 million a day because the production line is down. Yeah, we're not the cheapest solution in the market as far as the services we provide, and a lot of people are willing to pay that extra cost knowing that, hey, I've got this scheduled downtime, but I know A&D is going to follow us through and they're going to meet their commitment and the job's going to be done right. The most important thing I do is ensure that people go home safely each day. I stay up late at night worrying about people getting injured on the jobs. With Fleetio, I know we're within compliance. Everything is going what it's required to do. So I don't lose as much sleep with Fleetio because I know that we're good and I got quick, easy information and I know our vehicles are ready to go. If you implement Fleetio into your fleet, you're going to have a better understanding of your vehicle compliance, understanding of your cost, and be able to be profitable to your business. A lot of companies don't understand their fleet costs and they kind of think it's a necessary evil for the business. But with Fleetio, you can have some data driven behind that and understand your true cost of operating your business.